Good morning, everyone. My name is Alessio Gugliotta, and I'm Senior Program Manager at EIT Manufacturing. I'm delighted to welcome you into today's introduction to the training module named Open Source Solution for Businesses, which has been created in the context of the European funded project ZOOM. Let's dive into our agenda of today's presentation. We'll start by exploring the objectives of the module, delve into the background needed. We examine the structure of the module, introduce the courses, and discuss the specific structure of each course. Our primary goal for this model include analyzing the impacts of adopting open source solutions in businesses, focuses on value creation, innovation, reliability, and risk management. Additionally, we'll take a closer look at examples of existing businesses based on open source models, examining how they have been successfully implemented and how they drive innovation and create value. Before we proceed, it's essential to have a solid understanding of open source technologies and their development history. Additionally, having basic knowledge of business model will greatly enhance your comprehension of the materials covered in this model. Now, let's take a closer look at the structure of this module. We have divided it into 7 courses, each addressing different aspects of open source solutions in business context. Let's have a detailed look to the contents of each course. Our first course will provide a comprehensive understanding of how businesses can leverage open source models to enhance value creation and flexibility. We'll explore the evolution of business models in the context of open source, delve into revenue generation strategies, and examine the tangible benefits that businesses can derive from adopting open source solutions. By the end of the course, you'll have a clear understanding of how open source can drive innovation and create value within your organization. In our second course, we'll delve into the practical aspects of cost savings strategies and operational simplification achieved through the implementation of open source solutions. We'll examine various sources of cost savings, compare operation with and without open source use, and provide insights into optimizing process for maximum efficiency. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to streamline operations and reduce costs within your organization. Course 3, System Customization and Interoperability, focuses on tailoring products and services to meet specific customer needs and enhancing interoperability between different systems. We'll explore the concept of personalized products, discuss strategies for offering complementary services, and examine coordination methods for seamless exchange between systems. By the end of this course, you will understand how to customize systems effectively and foster interoperability to drive business growth. In our fourth course, we'll delve into how open source solutions can catalyze innovation within organizations. We'll explore the evolution of ecosystems and frameworks enabled by open source, discuss access to key strategic resources, and examine how open source can act as a catalyst for innovation. Through real-world examples and case studies, you'll gain insights into how open source can accelerate innovation and drive competitive advantage. Course 5, Open Source Solution with Legal Aspects, addresses the legal complexities surrounding open source solutions. We'll discuss licensing terms, intellectual property management, and navigating legal frameworks to ensure compliance and mitigate legal risks. By the end of this course, you'll have a clear understanding of the legal considerations associated with open source solutions and how to navigate them effectively within your organization. Our sixth course, Open Source Solution Risk Mitigations, focuses on identifying and mitigating risk associated with open source solutions. We'll explore strategies for overcoming exchange problems, discuss diversification as a risk management strategy, and examine emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and blockchain. Through practical insights and case studies, you will learn how to effectively manage risk associated with open source solutions and safeguard your organization's interests. Finally, our last course will analyze real-world business cases and success stories, including Nextcloud, Big Blue Button, Arduino, and Google, to illustrate the practical applications and benefits of open source solutions. We'll dive deeper into each case, examining the challenges they faced, how they implemented the open source solutions, and the outcomes they achieved. As we progress through each course, you can expect to gain a deeper understanding of the objectives, backgrounds, specific content, and key takeaways of each course. Additionally, we have provided deep dive resources in the closed folder for further exploration. Thank you all for joining us today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out at the provided email addresses. And we hope you enjoy and benefit from this training module. Thank you.